I'm not very happy. Okay, so the stream has started. Let's go, boys. Let's smash it. Today, we're going to continue on building vibe selling. We changed a bit of logic, as you can see, with the streams, and we've changed the UX a bit. So we're going to fix it. Also, I'm going to fix this website. So it's going to be really good. Tell me what you guys think about all of it. I'm going to go also live right now on Twitter. We're going to be live everywhere because this is one of the most important parts of our marketing here, as you can see. So I've got tech here. I'm selecting a source. We're just gonna upload something. We're gonna upload it, and I just have to write. I have to go back to YouTube and see what is the title because I remember I properly placed a good name for this. Okay, so we're just gonna go here. Okay, so we're just gonna do it. We have to be careful because YouTube is these days not happy. If you're promising something which is really way too much, then YouTube is not happy. So we're just gonna take this and we're gonna take and we're gonna add customers. Okay, we're just helping the people. We're a general platform which helps people find their next 100 customers. That's the promise. I think that's it. I like it. And everything is vibe selling. One thing which is happening, which you see is a problem here, as you can also all see. So right now we're live there. Yeah, we're just going to do this. And on YouTube, we're already live. I bet we're already live on YouTube. And then I'm going to just look at, I'm just going to pop it up. And getting extremely low of us, so we're not gonna do it. Okay, so we're just gonna pop out this chat. We're gonna get a lot of views. We're gonna get a lot of things right now. Look at it. What happened? Yeah, I regret every time I have to put anything on Netlify. Netlify is just being absolutely insane with what they're doing. They're just they just we do 3 commits and they're not happy. Never happy with Netlify. Yeah, Netlify can really, I think it's important to just tell Netlify to how many websites are down. I have to say, oh, this website is also done. Anything that I host on Netlify, it's just I know it's gonna just cook me over. But I think the mistake was mine. So now all my websites are down. So this is something that I have to be careful, which is gonna May 21st. Oh, okay, this was never happening, and now I'm in okay, so we're in a tough position now. So we're just gonna go and we're gonna just host all of these websites that I have actually on Team ER Malik, that email, into another one. I think that's the fastest one for me because right now 4 websites are down, all because of this. Yeah, we're not happy about this, as you guys could see. But we're just gonna go fix it first. Really important. So how do we fix it? We're gonna fix it by first setting up another Netlify account, and we're just gonna sign up. We're gonna use another email. So let's say I think this is okay. So I've got this is it. This is another Netlify. So we're just fixing all of it, and then we're gonna see what happens. So yeah, channel.com. So yeah, so which is I think my streams are gonna become really good because they're gonna focus exactly on. I think I'm also gonna put one on fast.ai.email. Too many people have access to this, which I do not like. asfiarmalik92 at gmail.com. So I'm gonna make one with this, and we're gonna see how it goes. So okay, so there's so much work right now, which is obviously I guess 2 pomodoros. I'm gonna say 3, and then we're gonna jump into the next one. As you guys see, I'm doing a lot of pomodoros daily because we want to make sure that everything is working. Like we're working a bit more structured, as you guys can see. Why is this one not showing? Okay, I was hoping this one is going to show. It's not showing, but it's okay. So we're just gonna sort out. There's some problems that I have to sort out here, but we're gonna live debug everything here. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna remove all my websites. So these are the three websites that I have. So Netlify's limits has changed so much in the past few days. It's absolutely insane. I'm also gonna just open the window to get some fresh air. It's important. Project has been paused. Excellent. So we're just going to take a screenshot of all of this and then we're going to move. Okay, in the meanwhile, I have to fix certain things. As you can see, I'll always allow creating. So this is happening. I'm going to get new codecs and we're also testing with other models. Okay, so yeah, I need a new codecs, obviously. And Claude has been cancelled, so I could run multiple Claudes maybe. At one time, I could run multiple ones. Okay. So the good thing is this content generator we've got already here. We've got here. We've got white tweets. We've got all of this here. How does this fund? My goal is okay. My goal is that I can create tweets and LinkedIn posts on text which I give, which should rewrite text based on uh, the best tweets and LinkedIn posts that I've given as reference. This should be one feature, and I will be adding my own text in this. Alternatively, I also want to. Okay, we're solving our biggest problem and we're solving their biggest problem. Let's go. This is the best thing ever. You know, and I'll also be adding my own text in this. Alternatively, I also want to create a lot of also want to create content which is really newsworthy about AI and vibe coding and new AI tools. What can you do? What can you do to always pull latest content topics and for inspiration? Inspiration. This is really important for me. Yeah, I'd love to get it. Love to get it. Get it. And have it. He set it up. He set up this inspiration thing is really. After that, push production. The production also make it visually appealing. Make it visually appealing. About tweet, like LinkedIn pages. LinkedIn pages. I wanted to use. Okay, so that's the thing. I think we're gonna try. If this does not work, we're just gonna try to check. Okay, why not? This is going to work, and we're gonna be the fastest company to do it. And the best part is this autonomous content generator is actually excellent. It just helps them. Production. Okay, this is getting pushed to production. Okay. Bro, we're not ruminating, yeah? The thing is, life has been. I wrote my thesis because I need to remind myself about that thesis. Guys, I'm gonna do this thesis, and it doesn't matter. F everything. I'm not even lying. If I'm gonna write my thesis and how I want to live it, and that's it. We're gonna bring more and more to other people, and then we're gonna see how it comes. Never. I'm not ruminating. That's the thing. We're not ruminating. This is not okay. Why can't I hear that? Is that switched on? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now I can see this, but I'm. Okay, I'm checking all of my projects because they've been paused by Netlify. I'm just going to put them on my server. This is not my favorite thing here that they've taken it. It's like, it's always, I'm just going to put all of this on my server. I've got a GCP server, a VM machine. So I'm just going to put it there because it's just otherwise too annoying. As you can see, GCP has been a very good supporter for all of us. So we just love GCP for that, as you can see. And now I hear a voice which we do not want to listen to, so that's something completely different. But yeah, we're gonna get it. Yeah, we're gonna get it. Okay, so we're not ruminating on all of these. And this thing is also working good. So I'm just gonna deploy everything on my own server. I'm a bit tired, if I'm being honest, with these yeah, these landing pages. Actually, it's I was not expecting it to become this cooked, man. Why are you doing this to me? Okay. Okay, I have to be fast. I don't have that much time. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with another Netlify account. Just create another Netlify account. Just do it faster, and just be done with it. Kind of not in the mood right now to just do everything. You know, want to save as much time as possible, and a lot of things with stream are gonna change because we learned some new tricks. So we're just gonna go with them. And now I'm making another account, as you guys can see. Okay, you guys can only see this, so I'm just setting it up. And we're just gonna go log in with Google. Okay, this is the one. And we're gonna create a lot of different websites here. And then we're gonna say, and we're gonna delete all the other websites. Okay, so I'm just gonna my link, personal, obviously beginner, intermediate, documentation, damn bruv, I don't want to. Okay, so it's gonna be GitHub. We're gonna import everything from there. If you know GitHub. Okay, so we are here. We are just nah, sorry, no thanks. Save, always save. No, bro, please don't come up with this. Mate, why is it always asking me for this? Can I not have two-factor? Use the authenticator app. Can't I have some other options? Nothing I hate more than 2FA, mate. It's like now I have a mobile phone. I don't have always mobile phone with me. These passkeys. What's gonna happen? Let's say if there's passkey saves and password from GitHub. Okay, we get this. To the recovery. Ah, scheiße. Wait, bruv. These guys are absolutely minted for me. I'm just a bit mad at them. Okay, F that. We're not gonna log in. If that's what it is, then it is what it is. Okay, these are the 4 ones which I have. Okay, I'm gonna delete all of these projects. Can't be bothered beyond this. String, because we're gonna move to another repository, as you guys can see. Voho AI. Also, I need to delete this. Project configuration, delete this project. Voho 1, this is also getting deleted. So all my projects here, I'm just gonna properly cook them, and we're not gonna have it. We're not just our Pomodoro is gone. Okay, 12 minutes. I'm just gonna okay. So now Tello AI project configuration. We're also gonna delete this. Tello AI. Hello AI, this is excellent. We deleted all these projects. We're also just gonna log out from here. We're just not happy with it. So we're gonna go, as you can see, I've got 500 different accounts and emails. So we're just gonna set it up. We're gonna go here and we're gonna import things from GitHub. They already know what our GitHub is. So first of all, Voho, I'm just gonna add this here. Voho landing. Extremely okay, so now we're gonna go again, let it cook up everything that it wants to do. So now we're gonna go. So yeah, guys, I hope everybody's watching. They also look at this and they're gonna build up their own businesses, because exactly what I'm building is gonna help me, it's gonna help you do exactly what we want to do in our lives. Okay, hello. We're also gonna, this is the second brand that I've got. Okay, Tello AI. I hope I don't have to change anything there, but we're gonna obviously see if I go domain. Okay, this is failing because has not yet been deployed. Deploy. Trigger deploy, I think. Trigger deploy project. Then we're gonna also go here, we're gonna say deploy project. So these two are getting deployed here properly. And then once it deploys, then I think we're gonna run domain management here. we're gonna go add a domain. This is something that we have already gotten with us. So that's gonna be, it's not available, but it's okay, search, but mate, I own the domain. By add a domain you already own. AI.com. I think it's like this here. Add domain, just that's it. Another project is already using this domain. What do you mean? Okay, Boho.ai. But I deleted all of that, mate. Hello, AI. Okay, so is it deploying already? Domain management. And now we're not gonna buy it. We're gonna add another domain, as you can see. Hello, AI.app. We're just gonna do all of this. Add domain. Okay, so I feel like this is gonna work. But I was expecting also that thing to properly work. So the fact that it hasn't worked makes me think that it is .ai, because I deleted everything there. So it's like this should work in my humble opinion. Then we've got Yarstream. Are we putting Yarstream back in there? You don't mess up. Okay, I think I'm gonna put Yarstream. Forgive me for this, my good people. But I think I'm just gonna put it. First I have to put my website, Yar Malik, back up there. Yar Malik. Yar Malik page. I think this was the one. Yeah, after that, I'm gonna go grab some water here. Website 2 months ago. Bro, I don't know if this is the one. Yeah, could be. But we don't know. And I'm not particularly happy with this. Okay, so we've got all of this set it up. Deploys have already worked. Yarstream, I think. Oh, that is fascinating. If you're asking me, oh, Boho landing, so it's not working. Yeah. Trigger deploy. What's the problem here? We're just gonna go look at this. So we're very fast with all of these things. You know, a lot of people ask me, do I have any regrets? I have a lot of regrets. I'm not gonna ruminate over them, unfortunately. Maybe people who ruminate over theirs are much happier. I don't think that's how you win. I'm just not gonna think about any of those things. Okay, so we're just gonna go here. We're just gonna post it there. Forward landing page is the one. Can you please test it out? Can you please test it out and deploy to production? Deploy to production right now with you. Right now, when I try to publish it to Netlify, it just gives me an error, and this is the error that we are getting. What if so we're getting this error. So I'm just gonna give it. And this is, guys, DeepSeek V4 flash free. I think people don't understand how exciting and excellent this model is. The Chinese have made it so cheap that it's just excellent. It's really good. Not all the time you're doing complicated stuff. This is just a basic HTML landing page. So I don't mind if this is not working as great as we ideally want it to be. Okay, so that's it. So we're just gonna go Boho AI. We're gonna do all of these. These are also working really good. Okay, so now the last one is Yarstream. I think Yarstream is something that I have to deploy now here, but we're just gonna go to G Cloud and we're gonna deploy it. Yeah, it's unfortunately. So if you go to my CMux, just see how I do it in case you guys want to get, sorry. So we're just gonna go here and we're gonna run everything in there. Should I make this bigger for you guys? Okay, so we are here in CMux and I have to open my Notion doc because there's a G Cloud there, which I have to. Okay. Scheiße. I love how Notion is like the biggest AI company out there, but it's just extremely annoying to use them. They want to also act like text editor. They just sometimes reformat my things, which I'm not very happy about. I just want a text editor, bro. Don't become an AI company now. Let me bail the biggest AI company. Okay, share. Okay, we're gonna go share. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go apps. Okay, and I'm gonna just pull this over landing page. So now your stream. So I'm just gonna go here and I'm gonna tell you exactly where that is. You know, a lot of times I'm sitting in these streams and I'm the only one here and speaking, which is definitely not the most fun. Actually, it's still fun because it makes me think about everything. Now you guys know my ADHD. As a man with ADHD, okay, I'm not gonna now pretend that I'm some ADHD Gen Z chai latte Starbucks kind of guy. But you know, it's like the brain always goes like that, talk, 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 which is unfortunately not that perfect when it comes to building a company because you won't deep focus. Okay, so now I'm, as you can see, I'm doing git clone. Oh, my good guy. This is gonna ask me for email, password, and then it's not gonna like any of these. Okay, one question. If you're not gonna accept mine, let's see. Why is it asking me that? I never get it. So for example, if I go to vibe selling, yeah, oof, I've got multiple things. So we're just gonna go ls. We're gonna say git status. Yeah, so there is a git here. You know, git pull. Okay, so let's see. Is it gonna pull? So it's pulling all of that thing out. Usually it does it with this. No, I think it's over. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm adding. Now, what do I add for password? I'm going to tell you. Okay. You know, I ran the worst move in the history of. I just. How's that? How's that actually even possible? Why is it written in the notes? Not just add another, add another. Okay, let's see. Add more password. Okay, so what is it? It is, yeah, why am I adding this as a text? That is one of the. No, I can't do this, bro. That could totally cook me up. I can't be lazy right now. I have to regenerate my token. Okay, so we're just gonna go to ChatGPT and we're gonna say, okay, I'm gonna get back to OBS. I think there might be a problem here, which we have not seen on our side. Okay, so let's go into open code. I can't wait to shift it to Opus 4.8. So we're vibe coding just with Opus 4.8 here. I think maybe that should have been, if I was a smarter marketer, I would have done this. I think there's a lot of peace in knowing that you're the one doing everything. You went to push. Yeah, do it, please. Very happy if you do everything. Yeah. We know in the business head now, start to change everything. Price. Okay, so I'd also start taking breaks after every Pomodoro. It's also, so my internet is excellent. So ChatGPT is a bit down. That's what we're seeing. We're just gonna go to Claude here. We're gonna ask Claude GitHub access token, redo it, please. Actually, this keeps me properly accountable. If now we're gonna keep ourselves Pomodoro. Okay, so we've done four Pomodoro for today. Okay, this is all running. I'm gonna take a 5 minute break because Pomodoro is done. And we're gonna come back and daily we're gonna do 20 Pomodoros. And after that, if things don't work as we want it to be, then I could always complain and blame others. But yeah, like I said, 2, 3 Pomodoros are gonna be we're gonna do something about that. Convenience. How to be inside the stream, but also yeah, be also in calls. So yeah, we're just gonna sort all of it out. It's not that big of a problem. Yeah, guys, we take it from there. I'm gonna go grab water, and then I'm back, and then we smash it properly. We cook it, we make it 10x better, whatever we do. I'm back with the band, boys. Let me just get my headphones on. We start the next Pomodoro, guys. I have one of the best ideas right now. When I'm doing this, I'm getting the best idea. You know, you can really out execute. The problem is only execution now. That's why I learned I have to out execute every person in this world. Phew. I love it. I love the challenge of it. And it's only going to be one thing. One thing only, guys. We can out execute everybody here. You know, why? Why not? And I'm building such an excellent product. And if somebody wants to compete, come. But my problem is sales and marketing. So how do you solve it? You just wake up in the morning, get on a stream. I always want to have it. I was always want to have that flicker there, and then just take it from there. So that's what we're gonna do. And I think if I continue this stream, we're gonna have 20,000 people every day viewing it. If I run this stream for 10 hours every day, my goal is wake up, run this stream for 10 hours every day, and you are telling me that I'm not going to get the outcome that I want out of this? Are you telling me that? There's no chance. There's no chance in human history, in living human history, that if I do that, if I do it with that much intensity, you know, I'll stop blaming any of my circumstances. And if I go with this much energy and I go with this much passion and I don't win, how is that possible, mate? This is impossible. What I'm doing here, I'll build all of it publicly in front of everybody. We're gonna make, you know, I've always thought I've not been a very lucky person. I've always blamed luck. I've always said because I've been very close to success. And I realize I'm not a very lucky person. I'll be very honest. I've not been a very lucky person. So now I have changed what I want to do. I want to do exactly everything if zero luck is there. So imagine if I had zero luck. How do you brute force success? I am now going to brute force it. Now, till the end of this year, this is going to be brutal brute forcing to infinity and beyond. There's no other option. There's no other choice that I have. It's going to be proper brute forcing, and we're going to go exactly like this. Yeah, we're going to brute force everything. So we're going to brute force success and we're going to take it there, okay? And we're going to get a lot of views. We're gonna advertise my business exactly just one thing, and that win is it's just gonna compound like crazy. So yeah, let's see how it goes. We're coming. We're brute forcing everything, all of it, no matter what. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna go back to CMUX. Say hi when you guys come here. Yeah, come and say hi. Let's go. Yeah. So you're telling me seven? Yeah, we are gonna do it then. We have decided. Some decisions have been made today, and I love it. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna make a new access token because there might have been an issue here with me leaking my access token. But don't worry, I've already revoked it. So me mentioning this does not hinder. But yeah, we're deleting our access token. This is one of those things when you start here, you can sometimes leak your stuff. So I'm just gonna leak it. I'm just gonna remove it because someone else has access to my, yeah, not a big fan of that. Last year's August 2025. Somebody has access to my, delete this SSH key. Yar MacBook. Last year's within the last week. Oh, added. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I don't want that. I don't want that access. Okay, so where's the access token? So we're gonna try to see where the access tokens are. Tokens. Yeah, okay. I want that thing to be Taylor AI. Is it working? Is it back now? Let's see. Okay, it's still not found. It's still not up. This one is back. The one website is back. Is it back? Okay, this is also now found proper stuff, guys. Okay, let's see what the AI actually answered. And we're gonna tell AI to just push to production. Why is it not pushing to production? Did it push to production? And after that, we're gonna install and restart because I've not installed and restarted since ages. It's open code. It's an excellent tool actually to do everything. We're brute forcing success. That's actually excellent. We're loving this fact that we're brute forcing it all. See, this is not, this is, yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna, first of all, I hate this. Does anybody know how to remove this? I'm good. Okay, so we're just gonna ungroup all of that, and then we're gonna see if this works properly or not. I do not understand how Claude does it, actually. It's one of the worst things that I've seen. Um, so, okay, boys, so this is proper. We've got this content generator. This is also built. This content generator is going to become part of all of that. So that's actually really good. And this is it. This is it. This is all coming properly. So we've got this here. Okay, where do you actually get the access tokens inside? So let's ask ChatGPT where the access token is. Where are my access tokens? We're not like them. Okay, so ChatGPT is back. We always love it when ChatGPT is always back. Ah, I had to tell it it's for GitHub. Maybe I should go back to Claude, as you guys can see. The in Claude. Leaked. Okay, this is it. GitHub developer settings. Developer settings. You know, the best part about LLMs, it is that all the UIs are so bad. It's one of the worst things in human history to actually use UI of any company out there, yeah? And it's so hard to find it. It's so non-intuitive. It's one of the most non-intuitive things in human history, yeah? This token has no expiration date. Okay, gee, last use within. Oh, we're going to delete this access token. Can I look at this? Public access last week, March, 8 March 2026. No, we're going to delete this one. And we're also going to take this one. And now I'm going to create a new one. And it's going to be for a fine-grained real. No, just give me a normal one. Use my password, please. Don't ask me for 2auth. We hate 2auth. Okay, this one is never going to expire. No expiration. Yeah, 6. So we yarn you 2026 with nothing. Repo access. Yeah, read, write. Yeah, repo status, full control of private. Okay. What about the public ones? Do we give it access to all of that? So that's something that we have to say. Full control of public service, full access. Nah, no SSH I don't want to give it. So admin, full control of orgs and team. Nah, no full control. Update action workloads, write packages. Nah. Full control of user public keys. We do not know. Okay, so I'm generating this token because it got leaked in this stream, boys. You know, so we're not happy about this. Now, that's one of those things. When you start streaming, you learn some things here that you'd normally not have to deal with. But yeah, now I can keep the old one because we've now changed it. Okay, so we've got it revealed. Is it factored in here? What happens? Yeah. So we've got here, we've got token reveal. Oh, okay, so I've got this. So I'm just going to use this one. And now we are more secure, boys. That's it. That's the good part about all of it. So we're just going to do this. I need to, because this is actually, all of this streaming is just for brute forcing. Some of them in here. A lot of people ask me, why am I building? What do you mean, why am I building? Can't you see? That's why I'm making it very obvious here how this is done. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add it. Okay, we're gonna run this again. What is this, bruv? Git clone, https, github.com. What? Why does it come like that, bruv? Ah, okay, I'm just gonna do it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we're just gonna see this yar minus malik. So that is it. Now I have to give it my access token, which I'm gonna copy, and hopefully this terminal CMAX is not causing me more problems, and it would automatically not just show the text. So just to be careful. Okay, so I'm saving it. Okay, this worked. Excellent, guys. So now we've got this repository, which is cd yar stream, which is running here. Okay, so now because we're running it, okay, this is good because this is there. So now we've got this. Now I have to look at PM2, cd PM2, and we have also gotten. Okay, so this is my cat. I can't even show my C. Okay, I'll have to not show my CMux. I think I'll have to take out this CMux because we're just going to. Okay, this is how it looks like. Apps, backups, scripts, PM2 logs, PM2 status, PM2 status. Okay, so this is PM2 status. So that's what it is. Oh, I need more coffee. But yeah, where are we at the Pomodoro? We're just gonna go with Pomodoros because otherwise the energy really depletes. That's one thing. We have to respect the Italian culture and how they made this Pomodoro. We have to, I don't know who Pomodoro person was. Yeah, we got respect that. Okay, so we've got all of this. Check the CFC, which is important. We've got this, we've got this, we've got the okay, no rumination. We're not ruminating about anything. Okay, we're gonna say yeah, why not? There's only one thing. What happens if I just Google wipes it? Ah, we're not even there yet, mate. We're not even top there. So what is that? How is this thing showing up above mine? How bad is my SEO? How bad is my SEO for this to for my landing page not to even appear? Why is my SEO ranking so bad? Wow. So I appear here. Well, I need to start using this stuff. Not even lying, mate. I'm just using this stuff. Okay, not very happy. What is this? I have to just say. Oh, wow, 100 plus creators. So everybody's gonna, yeah. Yeah, it's super, super interesting. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, commerce. Just built it. I think this is all gonna go above. I think these landing pages and websites and products are all gonna disappear. Imagine the world where ads are gonna become so important. Just describe your product. Just gonna go tell us what you are. And it's just gonna autonomously do all of this, gonna create everything. Yeah, well, we're building that thing. Prepared world. Be prepared. We're coming. You know, I'm not happy that my SEO is this bad, but we're gonna sort it out. I've got a mate who's one of the best SEO guys, you know, so that's it. You know, so that's it. We're coming. We're coming. We're not stopping here. Okay, so first I've done it. Okay, so we are here. This is it. Now I know that I've got some. Okay, so in OBS, we're just gonna go back to OBS. We just have to sort out this. Problem is that I can't show my CMux right now in this stream, so we're just gonna change the scenes. No browser. Okay. Okay, this is also interesting. Yes, for sure, I could do it, mate. So I'm building vibeselling.com and I'm using Codex, Claude, OpenCode, using some of the best tools which are out there to build it out. That's the essence of all of it. Okay, let me see where the. Am I in the wrong chat? Right. So I've got these people. Oh, we're increasing 2 subscribers per day, so which is excellent. So I'm just gonna go here and I'm gonna pop this out, so I could start replying back to you guys properly. And let me summarize this for you. So I'm building vibeselling.com, which helps you find your next 100 customers. Open code. It was 4.8. Open this out. I hope that answers your question, Talha Saeed. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm building this all out publicly. This is more like a place to co-work if you want to get inspiration, get experience, and have a co-working buddy. That's what it is all about. Okay. Actually, let me just change some settings in OBS because coding apps, it's excellent. This is excellent. But main, I just want no CMOX. Okay, so I'm just gonna duplicate one of these. Duplicate. Oh no, there's 2 times CMOX here. No CMOX. Okay, duplicate. Let me duplicate this and add no CMOX there. Okay, because I can't show my terminal at all times, unfortunately. Oh, I've always this. I need to remove this because it's taking up a lot of. Yes, because it's also running and it's consuming a lot of resources, obviously. So that's it. Video capture device. We're gonna remove this as well, and we're also gonna remove it here. And I'm just gonna go no CMAX, and then I'm gonna see if our settings are proper. So all of this is proper. Excellent. This is good. We're just gonna be, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna just check this for now. Okay, so now I can do everything and nothing is gonna get leaked to you boys. Okay, so yeah, this is the problem here. G, can I get this once properly? Okay, so we're just gonna CD. I'm just gonna go right now and go here. CD cat PM2 status. PM2. Okay, I need to run another one. Okay, cat ecosystem.config. This has like environment variables in this. Okay, so we're just gonna go to codecs. Now, is it codecs? Oh yeah, we're gonna go to open code. And run this server, other stuff. I'm sharing information. Tell me how to do it. Tell me how to do it. Ecosystem.config.js is this, and then I'm just gonna pull out a bit more information. Okay, let's go. Let's see, guys, what we have to do here. This is a PM2 status, and I'm also just gonna copy paste this, and we're gonna put it back there in OpenCode. Bro, I'm in a different page. Okay, that was the problem. This is for this, sorry. Okay, so I'm just gonna deploy that, and then we're gonna see. So if I deploy this, then we're kind of done there. I have to also go forget the last thing. Let me see if there was did we push everything there? Push to production. If you want to refresh deploy, you could always do it. Okay, so another Pomodoro is done, which is excellent. We're just gonna four Pomodoros. We're gonna just start another one. I hope I can do another 4 Pomodoros before I have to jump off, boys. You might be thinking, why do I stop working? Apologies. I'll never want to stop working. It's just Cancel. Okay, so I'm going to CMarks and I'm just gonna set all of this up, as you guys can see. npm. So I'm gonna go to apps, and this is deployment. So all of you guys, if you want to learn how to deploy, this is how you deploy in a VM. I'm doing it in front of you guys, so that if there is anything that you guys could potentially learn from here, that you could just easily learn. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so we're just gonna copy paste this. Okay, so we're just copying it. So we're just gonna copy paste this, and I'm just gonna do it like right now. Okay, so we are just copy pasting this thing. See, okay, sure. Okay, so we're just npm install, so we're installing everything in there, and then we have to run ecosystem.config.js. And meanwhile, I just want to see something with Netlify. Okay, so we've got ourselves here. I'm just gonna go in there, and can I deploy again? So I'm gonna trigger a deploy without cache. Excellent. So I'm just gonna go here. Okay, and then after next Pomodoro, I'm gonna jump off and I'm gonna smash another coffee because we love it. And that's the thing, guys. I got one of the best ideas. I'm gonna, I think companies are gonna start like companies have to start as a news channel. That's what I believe now. Companies have to start as a news channel. Excellent. You can't be. You just have to be there. And right now, you can see I've got one phone. I'm streaming in two places. Imagine streaming 10 hours every day. Because I'm gonna do it, guys. I don't know if you know this, but I'm gonna do it. Imagine streaming every day 10 hours. And then I'm live on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. Everywhere, boys. That would be so powerful. Man, this is like excellent. And then you're everywhere, just streaming. And then you can make content, and then you never stop, and then you get a new iPhone. And the good thing is, the benefit is you get also sponsorship. So somebody's going to sponsor and tell you, hey, can you please test that out? So you could always do that. But yeah, vibeselling.com has to become a media company. Oh, we are a media company. So we're starting it as a media company because we're going to help all the people. And for me, imagine if I'm getting 20,000 views a day on YouTube. 20,000 people, man. That's crazy, man. That's like, this Bridgman guy gets it. He's a proper legend, man. He's the one who gave me this idea, you know? And you can see this guy is working raw. He's working raw. He's hustling hard. And yeah, that's excellent, actually. So yeah, this is Retard Maxing 101, guys. I am streaming every day 10 hours. We're gonna make 20 Pomodoros. I'm gonna build everything publicly. And my goal and hope with all of this is that I could win more customers, I could talk to my customers, and I could help you also benefit in this AI revolution, because we want our own piece, we want our own part. And I don't think I'm a lucky guy, never. But now this is like brute force it. So that's good. And it's going to make me also a better speaker. But I don't know if speaking 10 hours a day, every day is as good for you as I thought. But yeah, at least everybody would have heard about me. That's a good part about all of this. There's nobody who's going to leave who's not heard about me. And that's what you want actually in life. When you're building a company, people hate you, but they've heard about you. Okay, legends. What is this? The tool for deployments have not worked, as we can see here. Which project is this deploying? Which we deploys? Okay, it is some website. Okay, so this might be a wrong website. So we're just gonna go and we can check. Yeah. Mm, 3000. Production. Okay, so it didn't give me an error. I think that's always 3004, 3003. Okay, so that's great. Okay, so I can't. Oh, I need a domain. Okay, so we're gonna have it on a domain, which is not used. The good thing is I have a lot of domains. Oh, I even have vibe column. Okay, so these are at auction. These are all expired. Vibe column.com. Okay, set it up. Set it up at vibe column. Okay, so this is it. We're doing it. And now Netlify, I need to see what is the problem here. Why is it not fixing this? Just why is it not implementing a fix here? Why did it fail? Because we're analyzing the error and we're going to give it. Netlify is actually excellent for. Fix with agent. Would you just fix it? Oh, yeah, I've asked agent, maybe it's gonna just say upgrade. Yeah, it's, I think we're not, yeah, we're not gonna do it, bruv. Sorry to say, bruv, but you, that's it, bruv. Okay, so now open code is doing it. Let's see if doesn't do, then doesn't do. Okay, so ecosystem, I've already added this. Oh, shows you. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go grab water again, and then I'm back because this is gonna take some time. But it's okay, we're doing it for the first time. And then we're gonna see. There's so much here, bruv. Not even gonna lie, mate. And why is this thing not okay? This thing has to move. Okay, now we get it. So it's gonna be back, and I'm gonna eat back, boys. Okay, so we're back in the stream, guys. I don't know if you guys remember, I'm back here. I don't know if you've forgotten about me, but I'm here. One of the reasons why we're always live for content is because we want to get naturally towards it. We want to become natural when it comes to content, and we want to sort everything out here. So I hope you guys like it. We're streaming every day properly, proper. And if you feel like my accent is changing, it's because I'm playing a part. Because I get tired, bro. I get tired of the same accent, bro. I get tired. I gotta entertain myself. And we're also gonna be on TikTok and Instagram every day till we win. So that's what it's gonna be, boys. You're gonna see me everywhere. We're gonna be everywhere. Have you got 69 new subscribers in the past 28 days? That's actually excellent. It's actually as bad as it gets, but we're still happy. We're gonna take everything that we could get in our life, yeah? We're in that part of the world here. I'm building my product, which is gonna, which helps you find your next 100 customers. Building the first, yeah. You can't tell which is gonna make you a millionaire. YouTube does not like it. That's what I heard. No. Yeah. Okay, so we've got this here. One of my friends was telling me because he subscribed to me that I always appear my videos. YouTube is recommending my videos, which is, we like this. We like to hear this. Okay, let me run this Pomodoro again, and then we are getting back, guys. Oh, where's the music, bro? Bring some music on. Why do you stop with this music? Okay, we're gonna show 100. Okay, so I need to do this. I'll do these changes for this landing page. I'm just gonna go get clone. This is cloned, obviously, bro. npm install npm run build. But this is whole landing page. It should automatically trigger now. Okay, let me just try and redeploy this. And let me open my Pomodoro again, boys. I'm not gonna lie. Contact the Pomodoros because you know, focus. Settings redeploy. So deploys, I just want to trigger deploy. But please deploy the project prop. This is the easiest in human history. Oh my god. Okay, guys, it's failing. Let me see why is it failing. A deploy older version affected until you update. Okay, a deploy. Okay, so okay, what? How can I upgrade to latest for upgrade to the latest version of next.js? Okay, support, good supports. Okay, upgrade everything, bro. Just please upgrade everything and then push. That was it. And after that, push to main production. Okay. I also have to look at something. Chat GPT. Actually, yeah. Okay, I could be free for a call. We're just okay. I'm gonna go. Jump into a call. Now, how do I do a call? I think I also need something which is just for a call. So when I'm in a call, obviously the settings are gonna be a bit different. Scene for calls. Okay, and for calls, no browser. Okay, that's excellent. And we're just coding stuff. So this is for call. Because guys, I'll be honest. I want music on in call right now, and this whole thing is obviously bad. Is he gonna listen to any of that? So that's Chrome. Chrome's. Okay, I'm gonna ask AI, and AI is gonna tell me. I hope this might be 100. Okay, so let's ask.
Thank you.
audio changes for every one of them. And then I'm gonna have, oh, there was SC, open Safari audio. Okay. So we're not gonna have Safari audio here. Are we gonna have it? Contact edge. Okay. We're gonna be, I'm actually super curious. You know, hmm. Okay, now it can hear properly. Aqua's clock. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to this. Initial. Okay, so ecosystem to change. Scheiße. Okay, guys, I need to change the scene in OBS because I've got, yeah, this. Okay, so what is it? Hmm. Okay, so we're gonna go here. We're just gonna copy this. Or maybe this was already there. Um, how do you know? Okay, so now engineers. Okay, so we're just gonna do this with this. Okay. Okay, so we've added this. What else? Okay, so wipe 7. So here I need to go and I need to add this DNS record. So yeah. How do you guys like playing with DNS? I feel like, what is this? I don't think it matters that much for me. Yeah, we're gonna remove this. There is a record. Add. So I'm adding it and then I'm just gonna copy paste it. So this is it. Okay. So if you want it, I could just add it here like this. So we've got this TTL everything. If you want like to add another here, I don't care. Okay, let's add it. So okay, so it takes some time for it to propagate. So let's see. Do I have to? So we're just gonna sort out also DNS propagation. So I want me to generate an exact command for Postman DNS setup too. So I've done this. This all is done. All of this is done, and that's it, man. So it's gonna appear here, wipecalling.com. Yeah, maybe somebody wants to buy this domain if they want to buy this. Okay, so it's going to, let me check. I can't view images. What do you mean? Oh, what? Why can't you view images? That I thought that's the main thing. Okay, so run CF board. Okay, so we're gonna run this. We're gonna see. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Enter. So I'm just gonna do this first. A record. Check this. Okay. How do I know if it's gonna be okay? So there's something happening. SS no such file or directory. Okay, take. Okay. Okay, this is excellent. So we're just gonna give it to open code and we're gonna see if this is going to do it. Okay, so if I copy this, what happens? I copy this and run it. Okay, so this is doing something here. So what should happen? Actually, I should maybe also use Codex for this. Oh, identity 20 plan. Ultra code is. So that's this guy's smashing it, bro. Okay, we're not gonna give up. Also, yeah, I think it's also going to be for me. Yeah, yeah, I think I'll also get more. I'll get Codex. I'll get all of this. We want all of this intelligence as fast as possible. Okay, so what did it do? I don't think. Wait. What, bro? Uh, what? Okay, so bruh, this is all the time failing. I think it's beyond. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're gonna go to Claude now. I think this is annoying me a bit, so that's why. I was ambitious, bro. Yeah. DeepSeek does not have that. Okay, so right now this is gonna we're gonna switch to this order. Okay, so we're gonna just run these. Let's see on the CMOX. Okay, so we're just gonna go to Claude and we're gonna run this, and then okay, so I've done it, and now we are gonna add it. Nginx system. Okay, so it has what? Leads to this. Okay, so it can exactly say. We're just gonna become more and more entertaining with all of this, which is why this is really good. Okay, so we're asking Claude, I'm getting all my subscriptions done again. Why is it? Okay, so we're just gonna, that's just a warning. This is gonna be so good if Claude just fixes it. That's the thing, I'm gonna get max subscriptions of all of these, and then we're gonna see. Then we're gonna see how all of this runs. So okay, so that's it. So we're gonna run all of this intelligence. Wipe deployed it, injects configuration, everything is done. You should get a response to the code. So we should get it. And if it is done, I'm happy. HTTP, okay, that is it. But I don't get that thing. Okay, white calling. Do we call it? Okay, so whitecalling.com. Yeah. Curl to options worth resolving. Okay, so it's okay. Yeah, we got into this problem. This is unexpected a bit. But you know, HTTPS whitecalling.com, but it doesn't open for us. Okay, so everything is both domains done. Yep. But when I go here, if I go to white calling, am I writing whitecalling.com? What does it do? Please check if there's a typing in white calling. So this is when I go to browser. I get this. Maybe take some time for this DNS domain network settings to all configure properly. We can't resolve properly. Propagated. So browsers. 48 hours to actually do it. Okay, let's say we're just gonna run it and then we're gonna know if this is actually gonna be doing this. So that's super exciting. And we're just gonna go and check it out properly. So if I'm gonna go here, we're just gonna give it to Claude, and Claude Opus 4.8 is gonna answer. I feel like with the Opus 4.8, this is just a better model. Run these two commands for me. Oh, I ran it, bruv. Apologies. What was it? What's the reply that we're getting here? So when I go to my terminal, CMUX, which I'm using for all of this. So we didn't run. Okay, so this, I think it just has to be propagated. That's the only thing that's happening. Okay. On my laptop. Okay. So this is going to be another terminal, which is going to. Okay, so this is it. Maybe there's a cache, so we're just fresh tab. So that's what they're saying, whitecalling.com. So now we're gonna just try. And if it takes some time, it's okay. We don't mind it that much. Excellent. Guys, excellent. So everywhere I go, I need to change it. Okay, boys, it took a bit of time, but we're good. I have to change it everywhere, bruv. Okay, a browser retard mixing. This is what we are doing here. Huh. Okay, so we're just gonna go do this. This should actually work. How come this doesn't appear? We're not happy about this. Where's the clock, mate? So we've got a clock here. Okay, we're gonna put it there. Let's see if this comes. But if I was being honest, it should already be coming. Oh. Vibe selling. Vibe selling. Okay, let's see what that is. I love it. macOS Chrome SC screenshot. Yeah, what is this? Okay, so everything browser we have to fix. Oh, mate, this is gonna be so much work. Oh my days, man. This is gonna be so much work. Just changing this all everywhere. Scheiße. That is, yeah. Is it properly now looking? Okay, what is this now? Pomodoro. We're gonna this should work, no? Is it this like is it that day? Okay, we can do check with Pomodoros, bruv. Pomodoro. Finally our stream is working. Pomodoros. So that is it, bruv. We're done. Which is excellent actually. So we're done. Okay, that's good. But now how do I make sure that this is no CMux, because CMux is not showing here, yeah. I could do it and it's back to there. Oh, that's excellent. Excellent. Oh, this change sources everywhere. Oof. Excellent, man. Excellent. This deployment has worked, man. That's excellent, bro. Yeah, we like this a bit. Let's see, maybe we change the background a bit. Just because we're a bit bored. Ah, select color. So if we go, you know, kind of like this. Just having that bit of transition there is actually not bad, if you ask me the truth. So it's just a bit of a subtle color there, because you don't want it too light, because obviously we've got this here. Imagine I change it to, okay, just give me 1 second. I just want to say, no, not here. But if you're gonna go here, we're gonna go here. Oh, also changes everywhere because it's the same source. 29 on auto website. Okay, this is how it has to be. This is excellent, mate. Okay, find your next 100 customers on autopilot. This looks good. Okay. So this thing is, I think I did it. Vibe calling website thing is, the thing is, and okay, so this is excellent. So this is already done. Then fix the website thing, vibe coding, that is done. There's another issue which I was fixing. We're just gonna go there. I think it's not the most important thing to fix. Whoa, landing page. Is it the landing page here which we have? Oh, yeah, that problem with that has that happened? So we're just gonna go here and we're gonna see. So we're now gonna go back to Netlify and we're gonna see what's happening here, because we're hoping these things would be sorted out. Okay, so now we're gonna go here. If this project still has a problem, that's actually maybe I have to deploy and trigger deploy. I think 5:42. Okay, it has been almost an hour. Deploy project without cache. So it's going to deploy. So we're going to see how this works. Until then, we're just going to go. And yeah, I'm going to add my rules there, brute force all of that. And yeah, let's go. Backs. Thank you. We got more coffee. We're back. Okay, now we're gonna fix these two problems together forever and ever and ever and ever. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, with these streamings, I'm also hoping that I could start getting monetized on YouTube. You gotta check out some. I've not been monetized on YouTube ever. So maybe we're gonna also get there, which is gonna be excellent. But I think I'm super far away from achieving this. I think getting subscribers is easier. Okay, that was not the best message we are hoping for. Okay, so I've never earned from YouTube. So 1272. Yeah, wow. Valid public short reviews, one of the following 3 million. Oh, wow. 3 million. 3 million views. Valid. Yeah. There's no way. I think that experiment has also failed. Sometimes it's super sad to see, mate, that this experiment is gone. Okay, this is not gonna lie, this guy can do it. But yeah, I think we're at a stage where hey, no, it's Fight Club, 6 memberships pending. Australia. Yanni, how you doing, bro? But are these guys giving me all the data? Let me see if I'm getting the data because I just, yeah, if I'm being honest, we're getting some good people in there. Yeah, we've got a community of 2,000 people. It's always good to have these people who want access to everything that you're doing. We've got a big community. Yeah, 115. We're happy here, bruv. 65 members. We've still got members churned. Yeah, we're not that happy about anybody who churns. Okay, 4 people have churned. 2 of them were stealing our content, so it's okay. And that's it. So we've got 4 paying members. Is that all active? Okay, so we've got this guy who's excellent. Then we've got this guy. We love all of these people. We've got this third person. We've got 3 people. We've got 4 people. Wow, maybe we should focus more on this because it's like kind of it's super good. Yeah, it's like no, well, I know you did. Okay, so this again failed. Okay, so let's see what the problem was. Failed. So we now we are gonna be a bit mad at this. And we're just gonna go and we're gonna check, are we in the wrong project? Voho landing page. So we're just gonna go to Claude and I'm gonna tell Claude, new chat, no, Claude. And I'm just going to open this new session because we're just gonna go to our landing page. Okay, let me also start. Yeah, let me also start. This already started. Let me look at what is the stream here. Find your next 100 customers on Autopilot. I feel like damn. That's a very strong promise, which we actually like. I don't like it. I think this is the main one. This is how it should be. Then we've got this C marks with all of this. That's the main one. 500x custom retard mix. That's our goal. So we're gonna have all these things, yeah. So okay. Okay, so we're done with street. Oh, that's it. Do we end the stream because we're gonna go to the park? We can't go to the park, yeah. It's G. I'm gonna come. Okay, so I guess this is the only time that we go. I have to end the stream if I have to go there. That's the only problem, which I'm not as happy about. So if you remove this, these gates, yeah, I don't like that. Oof. Okay, so we are opening landing page, open folder. So I'm just gonna go here and I'm gonna go landing page. Okay, so we're just gonna go here and I'm just gonna say that I received this error. Yes, yes. Okay, 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 okay. Bye bye. Wonderful. I also get calls. Yeah, please. Bro, shut up. Right, there is. Bro, chill out. We have to. Okay, guys, maybe Yeah, we can go back to streaming again. It's not a problem. Okay, so we're testing it out. So we're gonna also see if this is how Claude is gonna answer. So it's gonna fix the second and third website. So that's excellent. It's gonna set all of this up. So it's right now going through everything and doing it. So how much we like it. Okay. Position switch line. Okay. Okay, so we've got this. You brought your. This is excellent. So I'm just gonna go here. Chill out. Okay, so how could we do things a bit differently? Yeah, please. I don't like it like this. Okay, so we're gonna be just um, okay, let's go here and we're gonna do it. Okay, so that's it. Hmm. Okay, so we just checking. It is I never liked it. Hmm. Allah. Okay, that's excellent. We're gonna pay. Okay, we're gonna see. Yeah, let it come, boys. So this is it. Okay, and let's see if Claude is fixing it. Always allowed. What? Okay, that's actually my biggest problem with it. Can I switch it? Always allow. Because GPT 4.8, what actually is happening? Why is it going to all of these websites? Ah, we don't have to refer to. Okay, so now we're in Opus 4.8, which the part that I'm happy about with Opus 4.8 is that at least it's let me see just the audio model. So audio model, this is it, and then you've got my global, this is properly muted. Safari. How? How come? Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Is there anything else? No, this is doing. So I'm gonna tell it one thing. So I've got something stream in vibe selling page. Can you in logo make vibeselling.com much bigger in size so it's readable from far away? I won't get this the fastest, and this should be like catchy. Okay, so that's why I'm just gonna ask it to make it bigger. Yeah, a lot of people are asking if. So the beauty of all what I'm doing is it does. Okay, so this is it. Still spins as well. Always allow. So it's going to do it. So Claude is gonna solve this thing, which is excellent. We don't have time to waste. One thing I could tell you. That's one thing that we always learn. I'm gonna make an app for this. Okay. Why is this thing not working? Okay, this thing we're gonna fix. What is happening here, which we do not understand? As you can see, the page is not okay. So when was this last deployed? 508. I'm gonna trigger a deploy here, and guys, then we're gonna see it without cache, because yeah, Netlify is doing a good job here. Okay, after I'm done with it, I check the lawyer thingy, which is excellent. You know, you always need to, when you're building a company, you need to have lawyers, you need to have things. A lot of things change, a lot of things happen. But yeah, that starts, I mean, film all videos. Oh yeah, I think today I'm also gonna later film all videos. And then yeah, I feel like yeah, I have to get into. Yeah, the good thing about this stream is we're gonna make a lot of things public so people can really feel. I feel like that's and one thing I just realized, I do not know if you guys know this, but yeah, so we're right now streaming. I'm just gonna click on my streaming link. Is hosting day 44, sharing the source to building apps. That's excellent. So I feel like 6 Claude Opus, all in ultra code, all running in parallel. Not one agent or two. Okay, so I have to be honest, these guys are excellent at marketing. This is in May 2026, looks like Opus 4.8, 4.8, I mean, GPT 5.5. DeepSeek. Actually, I need to start DeepSeek. DeepSeek via open code. Via open code. Yeah, we're gonna. Yeah, DeepSeek via open code. Email tasks. The grade. Clear opportunity. Hey, bro. This guy is insane. All in ultra code mode. Okay, we're also gonna make a video on this, so that's gonna be good. Like Pi drone, okay. Codex. Yeah, actually would be good to get some excellent skills here also for me. Bro, what kind of music is this? This music is making me feel like so devilish. Okay, so we're just gonna go here. No, time also passes. I think, you know, share. Copy the link. Why is zero views on? Okay, because it's not being shown there. That's only but for you is going to be shown. Scheiße. Yeah, we're doing it every day. Okay. We have almost yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna put this broadcast. Is it gonna put it there? This also reminds you how important it is. I like it. I was never expecting it to be this excellent. I feel like it's already so excellent. Okay. So this is actually worth it. Captain. Okay, all of these. And I have to be honest, these guys, because they help each other a lot out. Maybe it's worth it for me to connect. Join now. What happens? 249. Okay, what was when the pricing actually started? Damn, bro. I have to give it to these guys. Probably cooked it. So cool. Okay, this is great. Yeah, I would actually also want to know. Okay, guys, we're here as you can see. Okay, if I fix it, guys, then I'll jump off from the stream because I also have to spend some time with my dad. And today's today's a special day, so we're gonna give it another time, yeah. But yeah, guys, I'm not leaving. I'm just gonna go crazy and work. Please. So next up, commit the deletion and push. Can you do the commit and push? Yeah, just do it. Trust workspace. Always trust workspace. Okay, so it's going to do it. I think it's just waiting for me to just properly sort it out for them. Yeah, that's the thing. Is it worth it to actually launch it with them? Yeah, because they're gonna just help you. They're gonna build that community for you, and it's like a lifetime. You know? So I feel like it's worth it if you ask me the truth. Also, these guys helping each other out. I feel like it's worth it because we kind of don't exist otherwise without this, and you need a community to actually make things work. I feel like 249 is not that much for this. So let me see what's the mantra of this. Ship or die. Well, ship or die. Ship or get kicked out forever. Okay. Ship your app in 30 days. Okay. So what happens afterwards? Okay. Dashboard. Let's see what the dashboard is. Enter the crew. User email. Checkout. Okay. So what's happening? Let's see. Yeah, bro. I think it's really excellent how these guys have done it. So let's see where they are. All of these Shiba crew members. So they were only almost ready. I'm looking for 10 founders who want to grow. Okay, this is didn't know Shopify game. Turn your sell your junk. Okay, guys. Sleeping so. Ostrich. Yeah, we get that, bro. This is so embarrassing. Okay, so has Claude actually pushed it? Always allow. So it's going to do it. So it's going to go and it's going to push it out. And once this is done, at least two things that we want to get done are done. Okay, so the second website is done, committed, and pushed. Should allow. So now Netlify should allow this. So this is going to work. Okay, so then we are done with the second one. Okay, so now my problem is actually one of these, which is this one. We're gonna lighthearted. When I go here, what does it show? Looks like you've broken link. Why is it broken link? Maybe I'm just gonna delete this project and we're gonna add that one again. Let's see. Maybe sometimes that's what works. I'll be honest, boys. There's almost no way. Yeah, I'm not that proud of all of this. I guess we will have to do it. Okay, so we're just gonna go yard Marlet.com. You know, you would. Okay, so this is it. I'm just gonna call it yarmalik.com, and then let's say if this is going to start doing a deploy. I hope it deploys it. Let's see. So it's building this whole product, and this is pushed. So we're just gonna go here, and we're gonna check. Do I need to deploy again? So this failed 649. So we've got, I think we deploy project without cache. So let's see. I think this would run both of these things, and then we're gonna have much better time with this once it is working like that. So yeah, let's see once it's come. But guys, in the meanwhile, I'll drop off from here and I'll start the stream again in 1 hour. Maybe I should not run out of this, but I feel like I should. So yeah, guys, cheers. We've been working really hard on this, but I'm gonna stop this stream and we're gonna join again, and it's gonna be amazing. Cheers, boys. Ciao.